Looking to dominate the court in 2025? Whether you're smashing winners or just getting started, choosing the right padel racket is everything. In this video, we've tested and ranked the top 5 best padel rackets of the year for power, control, comfort, and pure performance. From pro-level weapons to game-changing gear for ambitious players, we've got something for every play style. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting with number 1. Warm Inferno. If you're looking for the perfect blend of control, power, and spin, the Warm Inferno Spin Teardrop Padel Racket delivers exactly that, and more. It's a standout choice in 2025 for intermediate to advanced players who want to elevate their game with confidence. Crafted with a 3K carbon fiber face, the Inferno Spin offers excellent durability and a clean, responsive feel with every shot. This premium-grade carbon ensures that the racket stays strong under pressure while providing the crisp contact advanced players demand. At its core is EVA foam, engineered for a perfect balance of comfort and power. You'll notice a forgiving sweet spot that absorbs vibration, making it easy on the arm without sacrificing punch on smashes and volleys. What really sets this racket apart is its 3D spin texture. The surface is designed to grip the ball more effectively, giving you the ability to shape your shots with impressive topspin or slice, especially useful on tricky lobs and volleys. If spin is a key part of your game, this racket won't disappoint. The teardrop shape offers an ideal midpoint between round, control, and diamond, power, profiles. This gives players a well-balanced racket that supports aggressive play while still offering excellent placement and defensive control. Whether you're attacking from the net or grinding it out in the backcourt, the Inferno Spin delivers adaptability and precision. A thoughtful touch, it includes 2 premium overgrips, so you can customize your handle feel and maintain top grip performance from day one. Number 2. WLSRW Padel Racket. If you're looking for a lightweight, comfortable, and affordable padel racket that still brings solid performance to the court, the WLSRW Padel Racket is a fantastic option, especially for beginners to intermediate players looking to develop their game with confidence. This racket features a fiber surface, offering a smooth, consistent feel on contact with the ball. While not as rigid as carbon fiber, it delivers a comfortable touch and solid responsiveness, ideal for players prioritizing control and technique over raw power. The heart of this racket is its EVA Memory Flex foam core, which provides a forgiving and cushioned response. The foam adapts to your shots, absorbing vibrations on off-center hits while still generating enough rebound to keep your shots deep and accurate. One of the standout features of the WLSRW racket is its lightweight build. This makes it easy to swing, maneuver, and control, reducing arm fatigue during long matches and helping players develop proper stroke mechanics. It's particularly useful for those who are still learning positioning and timing, as it forgives mistakes and supports consistent shot placement. Number 3. Franklin Aurora. Franklin Sports continues to make waves in the padel world with their Aurora, Endeavor, and Glide series, purpose-built for intermediate to advanced players who demand control, responsiveness, and consistent performance. Weighing in at a well-balanced 365G, these rackets are a fantastic blend of lightweight maneuverability and solid court feel, ideal for players who want to elevate their competitive edge. At the core of each racket is a foam core system designed to absorb shock while maximizing energy return. The result? A comfortable, low-vibration feel on contact, without sacrificing the power and control more experienced players require. Whether you prefer the bold design of the Aurora, the sleek precision of the Endeavor, or the smooth handling of the Glide, all 3 models are crafted with advanced materials that optimize playability across the court. Number 4. AMA Sport Aero 1.0. Blending lightweight construction, modern materials, and precision engineering, the AMA Sport ERA 1.0 is a standout choice for intermediate and advanced padel players who want the perfect balance between power and control. Whether you're playing fast at the net or constructing points from the baseline, this racket delivers consistent, high-level performance in every area of the game. The ERA 1.0 features a carbon fiber surface, giving it a firm, responsive feel and enhanced durability. It allows for clean, crisp ball contact, translating player input directly into shot output with precision. At the core is EVA Memory Flex Foam, which offers a comfortable yet powerful feel. The foam adjusts to each shot, softening delicate touch plays and returning explosive energy on smashes or aggressive drives. This combination provides excellent vibration dampening while preserving the racket's high-performance characteristics, crucial for long sessions and competitive matches. The ERA 1.0 is built for players who demand both control and power without compromise. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling and quicker reaction times, especially at the net, while the carbon face adds the pop needed for offensive play. Number 5. BULLPADE. The Bullpadel Hack 04 2025 is more than just a racket. It's a high-performance weapon built for professional and advanced padel players who play with intensity, precision, and explosive power. Engineered with the latest technology from Bullpadel, this diamond-shaped racket is designed to deliver maximum aggression at the net, unstoppable smashes, and unmatched stability under pressure. At the heart of the Hack 04 2025 is a tricarbon 3D surface, a premium, multi-directional carbon fiber blend that offers maximum stiffness, durability, and power transmission. It gives advanced players the crisp contact needed to dominate offensive play without sacrificing control. Bullpadel's total channel aerodynamic frame drastically reduces air resistance, enhancing your swing speed and maneuverability, essential in high-speed exchanges and overhead attacks. The tri-core reinforcement system adds torsional stability during off-center shots and intense rallies, helping maintain accuracy even when the heat is on. Add to that the smart holes pattern, strategically drilled to optimize sweet spot response and spin generation, and you get a racket that responds perfectly to your every movement.